square off these bits.
That's true. Yeah.
No, really.
Well, hopefully this is in focus. But we should probably tell you what we're doing. So I parked my car in this shed right here. And when I turn the car in the morning, there's a fair few fumes, and there's nowhere for them to go. So we're gonna make some boxes, and we're gonna put some fans in it, and then we'll run the extraction system up, and then we'll pop it out through there. And so that way we'll have no deaths caused by carbon monoxide. Hey Jack, that's what we want.
I don't remember it being that. Oh,
Yeah,
cool last time. Maybe we'll juice it up sometime. That's getting blown everywhere. Shit.
So this is the situation at the moment. So we're on the bandsaw now, just swearing out our timber. So we're just trying to get in focus. Sweet. So once this is done, we'll mark out the other piece of MDF, and then we can start assembling. And then if we need, we'll go to the shops and get some more timber. Oh yeah, what Alright, there we go. Finished the front and back of the first box. How's it looking, Jack?
Pretty square.
Sweet. Alright, here's the first bit. And then one over there.
Box.
Oh yeah. Alrighty. So we finished cutting everything. So here they are. Look at that. How beautiful is that? No, I just don't mind that small burn. Whoops. But that's all we need for our two boxes. These are our offcuts. This is Jack. We did well today. Now, all we need to do is draw out a circle for the fan, cut that, and then probably see how we go. Might call it a day. Yeah,
Sounds good.
Sweet.
Get some dinner.
Cool. Jack, that's just beautiful, mate.
That was champion. Cardboard king.
It's stuck there now. Oh, very nice.
Make a circle fucking better than that.
I will.
Without the F word, because this is a child-friendly blog / YouTube video.
A nice round hole, Jack.
Thanks, man. I've been preparing it with chapstick all day.
You saw that, didn't you? Move the hammer.
Everyone saw that, man.
Oh. What do you have to say for yourself?
Pretty chuffed. I'd like to thank my parents, giving me the dexterity and the ability to draw the perfect circle.
Yeah, I know.
I was like,
Oh, I'm so happy about that.
fucking do route this bad boy.
Well, I don't know. Nah, that's not risk it. We'll cut it by hand. Alright, so we haven't really been filming much. Whoops. But may as well start now. Might want to, yeah. You want to? There you go. that bad boy up, so I'm not actually drilling into the horse. Yep, no, and then you wind this bit in.
Yeah, just getting it close to. Now what I was going to do.
Okay.
Should have taken it off before you put the holster on.
Don't worry, I got this.
Well, you don't have to screw it and take it off. Just changing the sides though.
Yeah. Alright, we've cut them holes. Now we're just fitting the fans in, and then we'll probably call it a day.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Get some dinner.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm getting quite hungry now. Ha ha ha. Oh, that truck.
Yeah, I think we'll just leave it there, it's a bit dark. Come in tomorrow with a jigsaw and we can make a bit more noise and we'll hack away at that. Got this done tonight, so I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, pretty excited. Alright, hey guys, just an update. So we've got the car in the shed, and the two fans have been finished. So here we go, have a quick look at that. Just need to plumb them in. You can see that blue connector there. Just need to plumb it in and have it go out to the top there. But other than that, these are done. Yeah, pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Catch you next time. And a shout out to the guy from Fit My Car again. They've just sent me a bumper protector. So thanks guys, really appreciate it.